Hi everyone, welcome to my latest video, and I'm going to be going over my most recent Tonic shipment. I am shooting this with a new setup that I have from We Are Memory Keepers. It is their shot box, and so far I've been relatively pleased with it. The only thing I wasn't was on the price. Even though I got it on sale, you were still talking, by the time I bought the sidearm, the shot box, and some backgrounds, it cost me about $150, $160. It was on sale at Michael's. If it's not anymore, you could probably use a coupon to help with some of the cost. They also had it for $130 something on HSN, but then you have to pay shipping, and it didn't include all of the backgrounds. Okay, so let's go with the Tonic order. And the first items are from the Tonic drop sale that they were having. And so we've got glitter here. And they call this one, it's orange soda. Sorry about that, orange soda. And then I had some, they did not have the crystal drops in a black or the glitter, so I got the vintage Nouveau drops in a black. And then I got crystal drops in a greenish. And actually, they're not crystal, these are glitter. And they call this one Sunlit Meadow. Very sparkly. Then the last one is a crystal drop, but it does look like it may have a little bit of a pearl sheen to it, so I should like that really well. And that is the Wedgwood Blue. Very pretty. The last two items from the sale, or at least from accessories, this is their champagne. Sorry, let's see if I can get that in focus. These are the champagne sequins. There you go. You can see the sparkle on them. And I use those for my checker boxes. And you could also use just the sequins out as, you know, instead of like drops or something for decoration on the outside of your card or your item. And then I had the prickly pear here. It's kind of a light green. I had ordered it before, but I ended up with prickly pear glitter, which I don't use glitter, but that's what they sent me. And I could have asked for them to send me another one. They're really good about that. But I went ahead and got this. That way I had the match. And so there you go. So I'm going to take these away. And we'll go to the last items. And the main reason for the order. So the first thing I have, these are luxury stamp refill kits. So we have these, and they come with labels. There are 10 sleeves for you to be able to put your stamps in. And these do fit, I hope, into one of my notebooks, which is going to be coming up next. So then I got the Wednesday, I believe it was a Wednesday bundle. I have never used one of their binders, and I'm needing to store, you know, more and more dies, and so I thought it'd be cool to store it in their own. And so here is the first one, and this one is the medium. Show you how big that is. And it comes with 6 sleeves and magnet. And so that one is 5.8 by 5.8 on the sheets. The item itself, we'll see if I can get a measurement here. Well, we'll go from the 1 to the 9, about 8 inches. And then from the other way, it's about 9. So about 8 by 9 on that one. And it is the smaller of the bundle that I got. And I paid $32, $31.50 for the bundle. Plus you have to pay the shipping, of course. And so here is the bigger one. And I believe they called this one an A4. Let's see here. It's 3286E DTC die case. And you can see it there. Very pretty, very large. I think they have one size larger if people want a really big one. But this was hopefully big enough for me to put most of my dies in. And it is 9 inches across. And it looks like almost 12, but not quite, about 11.5 inches up and down. So like I said, more or less 8.5 by 11 on that. And so that is their binder. They do have a pretty blue one that's in their signature color, but it's for the designer series, and I thought I'd wait because I've heard rumors that it might come with if you do the designer subscription, but I'm waiting to hear back if that's the case or not. So I have recently joined their monthly craft kit, and I should be getting my first kit here before too long, hopefully. It's the ice cream one, so it's the reason why I went ahead and joined. So I'm looking forward to that. I have a mystery box on its way, one of the Wednesday die mysteries, and so hopefully I'll get those before long, and that'll give you a chance to see my next Tonic items. Thank you for joining me, and be sure to like and subscribe and tell your friends about it and watch for my videos. We'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.